Hello, I'm Bonnie Holub and welcome to this video. It's number 3 in a series of RapidMiner introduction tutorial videos. Today we're going to talk about extensions. There are wonderful, useful extensions in RapidMiner, and the first time I went to install them I was a little confused, so I want to walk you through it so that you can avoid that confusion. So the first challenge is where to find them. If you go under Help and you want to say Manage Extensions, you'll see that there are no extensions installed because I haven't installed any. So that's not the place to go. What you want to do is go into Extensions and say Update RapidMiner. Now the first thing it's going to do is check for updates in the RapidMiner that you have installed, and this takes a little while to run. So when that's done, you get this Update RapidMiner window that pops up, which has all the extensions listed. So you think, great, I'm getting close. Now on my screen, I can't even scroll up to show you the bottom of this window, so I have to move it off to the side and resize this window so that you can see the bottom, because if you don't see the bottom, you're not getting the whole message here. So this is the Update RapidMiner window again, and I'm going to put it so that you can see the bottom. Now all of a sudden you see that there are options here for selecting and installing extensions. So the first problem I had was that it wasn't where I expected in the Manage Extensions part of the menu. The second problem I had was that this Update RapidMiner window appeared large, but the bottom was way off my screen, so I couldn't see it. And here's the third challenge. It was that I wanted to choose extensions. Like, let's say I want to install the text mining extension here. Well, I can click on it, but it doesn't check in this checkbox, and I can go to the extension homepage here and look at it, but I'm having trouble because this checkbox doesn't seem to be working. Here's the secret here. You have to click down here, and then the checkbox checks. Then you can check install and go ahead and run it. Of course, you have to accept the terms of use, which you should look at carefully. And then this will take a little while to install. And when it finishes, you get this message: the update is complete, and in order to take effect, RapidMiner must be restarted. So it asks you if you want to restart RapidMiner now, which you can say yes to. I'm going to say no because I want to install some other extensions. Again, I have to go into Help, Update RapidMiner, wait for that to run. Resize my Update RapidMiner window so that I can see the bottom of it. And then go on to the next extension that I want to install. Then I can select it and install it. And wait for that to run, accept the terms of use. And now I'll say go ahead and restart RapidMiner. Next, let's look at installing several extensions at the same time. So again, the Help menu, then Update RapidMiner, wait for that to run. Resize the Update RapidMiner window. And I'll pull it back onto the screen. Let's try choosing several at the same time to install. So I'm going to choose this one. Notice I have to click on it and then click Select. So on my screen it turns a darker blue than the other ones on the screen. I want to do the R extension, so I select again. Now let's go up there and see if that other one is still selected. It is. So there's hope for us that we can install both of them. Let's see. I have to accept the terms of the use and accept the terms of use, so it prompts you for each one at the beginning and then goes ahead and runs the install for them. Now I get that the update is completed successfully, and I need to restart RapidMiner. So you might remember from the example before, since you have to go through some steps of opening the window, rerunning the update to make sure you have the most recent version of RapidMiner, before you even get to the place where you can install extensions. If you want to install multiple extensions, it's obviously quicker to do them at the same time, since you then have to reboot RapidMiner at the end. So now let's look at how we would uninstall extensions that we don't want. So I'm going to look at Manage Extensions this time, and you see the extensions that I have installed. At this point, I'm going to uninstall the R extension because I had decided that that's not something I'm going to use. So I click Close, and it says all files belonging to this will also be removed, and you can see that now that's done. And again, you need to restart RapidMiner. So I hope that this has been helpful to you, and I hope I see you on another tutorial video soon.